Hi guys, I'm so sorry about that I haven't posted on my YouTube channel for nearly a year. Just life got in the way, and but I'm going to be back. I've been back. I've done some shorts, so you could call it short content. I've got a TikTok account, so if you want to follow us there, you can. But just a wee bit update. I'm doing fine. I've coloured my hair. Looks a lot better than the blonde, and I just hope everybody's okay. And just what call it? Just hoping everybody's okay. But I've got an unboxing today, so I'm going to. It's Makeup Revolution. So I love these wee tabs they've got in. So this is what I've bought. So get the thingy off. So this is what I've got for freebie 1, and this is a berry. It's like a freebie that if I spent so much money, I got this free. So that's a lipstick thing. Then I got my soap brow thing, and then I'm into my skincare at the moment. There you are. Here's another one, and that's another one as well. That's both night stuff. Okay. And see what else have I got. And I got this boosting collagen thing, because I'm finding like this and all that, it's like your skin really goes through it when you reach a certain age. So that's what call it that's collagen booster, so that's fine. Then so that's all empty. Oh, I've actually got another freebie. So I got this one. That'll go perfect with this colour. And then I got that one. So that's fine. That's like just everyday kind of colours. So I'm happy about that. And then I done a cheeky wee order through Beauty Bay, and look at this, right, look at that. So I got Shoulders and Narrow, that's the flight pack, and cannot wait to smell that. Then this is my favourite. This is my favourite. I can understand how Americans love this stuff. So I've got that. And then I'm going to try this. This is the Snail Musin. And I've just got a wee sample size because I don't want to have too much. So, and that's what I've got. And I'm looking forward to getting back into it. I've got a lot to do in April, but I will be back. I'll be back like scattered over March, and I hope everybody's doing okay, and I hope everybody's feeling okay, and hope yes all have a good rest of your week. And if you're new here, my name's Emma, and just we'll call it, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. A thumbs up would be a really good, and just hope everybody's okay, and see you later. Mwah.